What's up, guys? I finally did it. I finally broke down and got a Sawicki speed exhaust. So if you've seen my previous video, you see that I was rocking with the stock exhaust, and I removed the baffles and I actually winded up putting Thunder Torque inserts inside of it just to get some of the back pressure back. But it's time for an exhaust. I bought a Power Vision tuner, and I bought the Death Metal Racing mount for the Power Vision tuner. So I did get the Softail bracket, even though I'm not running the hard bags. I bought this anyway. Just in case, I don't know. I need to look at how it goes, but yeah, I did buy the Sawicki Speed short pipe. So let's check out the welds on this bad boy. Pretty fresh, if you ask me. Pretty fresh. So okay, looks like the retainer is part of the pipe, which is nice. If you've ever had some exhaust where this piece isn't on there, it just kind of slips around, it's nice to have it like that. Let's see what's in here. Hopefully this is the cone or the end piece. Looks like another bracket. Now I am curious to see what's the difference between that stock bracket and this ST bracket here. Okay. So a little bit different on there. Okay. Looks like we got some hardware. Looks like we got a spring puller, some exhaust, what do you call these? Like exhaust washers, exhaust caps. I'm not exactly sure what you would call those. Dope. We got a sticker. Okay, so that means this is the cone, the part that everybody wants to see. I know I do. And I did go with the welded cone on the end. I know you can get like a black one. And this is the brushed finish pipe. I know you can get it in chrome. And there's a couple in chrome. Yeah, you can get a couple of the you can get the pipes in a couple different finishes. Yeah, I got mine stainless, and you can also get the end in a couple different shapes and stuff like that. I don't know the names of the different shapes, but I know mine is a welded. It's one piece. Yeah, dope. Sawicki Speed, and it did come fairly fast. I know these are handmade, which is super awesome. Like I was saying, this one you can get this like a black cone. I think you could get it even a different shape. There's a couple different things you could do, but I just wanted it to be just one continuous piece. I mean, it looks baller. So let's get to the install. So it's actually storming outside now, so it's a perfect time to do this. First thing we're gonna do for the uninstall of the stock exhaust is take a 5/32 hex bit and take off these two nuts so we can pop this cover off and get to the O2 sensor, the O2 sensor plug there. So we're gonna do that really quick. And as you can see, the O2 sensor is just plugged in right there. So just go ahead and pop that off. So for the front one, it's actually gonna be a little more tricky. So trace the O2 sensor down, and you will find that it comes out right here. So same thing, unplug it. So next thing we're gonna do is, since there's all these exhaust shield heat clamps, we're gonna take all these off so we could just get better access to everything. So we got the heat shields off, and the next thing we need to do is take off the two nuts from each exhaust flange. But to get to this front one, the oil cooler is in the way. So we're going to use a T27 Torx bit, take off this plastic cover so then we can get to that oil cooler. So once you take off that cover, there's another Torx here, here, and here. So just take those Torx out, and this can move around and wiggle a little bit. That'll give you enough clearance to get your extension in there and go ahead and take that that front exhaust nut off. All right, so we got all the nuts off back here too, and this whole exhaust should just come off now. I'm gonna do this two-handed, but you get the point. So we got the exhaust off, and it's just gonna be this Allen and this Allen to take this exhaust bracket off. So everything's off the bike. We're going to take those circlips and the exhaust flanges off, and we're gonna install them on the new pipes. So I got the exhaust flanges put on both of the pipes. Now when it comes to the bracket, I got a little bit of an order I got to go in here, so I am running the bunking slider. So this little spacer comes to take up the space where that slider right here adds to the frame. So I'm gonna have to put the spacer there. Then I'm going to put the bunking, or I mean not the bunking, the Sawicki Speed ST bracket here, and then the mounting bracket on top of it. Now I am going to switch over. This is where your bag kind of sits in, the little channel that your saddlebag sits in. So it has little grooves, and it comes with a new screw to go in there, and I'm just going to install it and get all that buttoned up. Leave everything loose though. So we got all that installed. Next thing I'm going to do is in the hardware kit that the pipe comes with, it comes with these adapters for the O2 sensors. So I'm going to take the O2 sensors off the old pipes. I'm going to put the adapter in the new pipes and then screw the O2 sensors into the new pipes as well. So I got the O2 sensor on, threw a little bit of anti-seize on there, and then I put the exhaust gaskets in there on the front and the rear. And so now I'm just going to put the front in first, lightly screw it on, and then the same thing with the back, lightly screw it on. We're not tightening anything. So I got the nuts up there just lightly threaded. I got everything back here just kind of situated. I'm going to throw the springs on next. So we got everything all tightened up, everything all torqued together. I just ran the O2 sensors just the safest way, all the way away from the pipe so they don't touch anything. All right, so the bike is washed. It's actually raining now. So yeah, that was kind of pointless, but let's hear this, hear the first start here. All right, guys, so I took it for the first ride after work, and all I have to say is, wow. I mean, this pipe is crazy. Without a tune, the high-end, top-end power on this pipe is amazing. Like, well done, Sawicki Speed. Like, this pipe is absolutely insane. I mean, the fit and finish, the quality, the fitment, I mean, it's just amazing pipe. I got nothing but good things to say about this. Like I said, without the tune, I can feel the power immediately. Such a huge power difference. This bike is like a piss rocket now. So once I tune it, it's going to be even more phenomenal. But love the pipe, and I can't recommend it enough. Sawicki Speed M8 Softail exhaust, and this is the Shorty. Hell yeah. All right, see you guys soon.